Hello everyone, welcome to Programming Cradle. So today was the first day of the university, and it was basically just the introduction about the course and what all things will be happening. So yeah, that's what I will like to tell you guys that whatever happened today and how was it. So if you guys are interested, keep watching, and before moving further, if you are new here or if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please go subscribe to the channel and be a part of Programming Cradle family, and also hit that bell icon so that you get notified each time when a video goes live. So with that being said, let's start our discussion. Nothing to discuss, just I would like to tell you things whatever happened today, and meanwhile I tell you, you can simply walk with me, you can see the streets of Newcastle, and you can enjoy the greenery. So yeah, it was like we started at like 9:30. It was supposed to open, so there was a room where few people were sitting, and those representative, they told us about the computer science club and what all events happen there. There are some Google developer clubs also, so we can join that as well. So it was pretty interesting, and there were some games, so you can play and make friends there. So yeah, that was there, and also there were some snacks. Mainly there were cakes, pastries, and juice, coffee, tea, those kind of things. So yeah, after that we went to the seminar hall where they introduced the course structure about data science, and how many modules we can take every month, and in a semester how many optional modules are there, which are optional modules we can take, and there is a general data science course, and there are some specializations like data science in AI, data science in visualization, data science in statistics. So I have taken data science in AI, so I need to compulsorily take deep learning module, and just because of deep learning module I took specialization in AI, because I'm very much interested in the machine learning part or deep learning part of the course. So yeah, I'll have to compulsorily take deep learning module, and yeah, that's why I took the AI specialization. And if someone has taken general data science, they can choose whatever module they want to, and they can customize their course. So that is there. So if you are into customization, and if you want to customize your course based on your liking, based on the modules, so you can take general data science course. It is specifically for Newcastle. In other universities they probably don't have these kind of things. They have straight away mentioned these are the optional modules, and you can take one course which is MSc in data science, and based on your liking you can always select your modules. And we met the program director. He was really helpful. He answered almost all the questions that we asked, and he was patient enough to answer everything, and he answered it in a very in-depth way so that it will help us in the future. And also he told us about other faculty members who are specialized in which field. So if you have a doubt with machine learning, to whom we should reach, and if you have doubt with some other thing like data management and stuff, so we can reach out to him, and yeah, things like that. So there are faculty with different specialization like in statistics, visualization, business aspect, or machine learning, deep learning part. So if you have doubt with some specific module, you can reach out to that respective faculty. So that's a really good thing. And I'll just show you a photo right now. You can see it here. This is from the outside. This is where my classes will be conducted. I will have much more time to show you guys inside the building, so I will do that once the classes will start, and probably you guys will like it, and I'll be making many more videos about the course and things like that. So yeah, this is what happened today, and also I met many new people, made some friends, and in evening there is some fun activity. It's more like a club thing, I guess. I'm not sure. I'm not much interested in this, but still I will try it. Maybe I like it, maybe I won't, but nothing's wrong in trying, right? So yeah, I'll go in the evening, and see how it is. So yeah, this is what I wanted to discuss in this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, or maybe if it was informative in any way, you can give this video a thumbs up, and you can subscribe to the channel and be a part of Programming Cradle family, and also hit the bell icon so that you get notified each time when a video goes live. And if you are into data science, you can always download the data science notes, link is in the description. It will really speed up your process of learning. And you can also join our Telegram group, again link is in the description. So there we have over 1,000 people. Everybody is willing to help each other, and it's a really good community. So yeah, see you in the next video. Bye, happy learning.